Hey, what's up? It's Badmad and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here. If you don't know who I am, my name is Badmad, and here on YouTube I am committed to creating a positive community of uplifting women and baddies. If you clicked on this video, I want you a part of the baddie squad today. I would also like to mention in this video that I will be doing a giveaway when I reach 1K followers, which I will slowly start to detail as we get a little bit closer. I'm about 200 followers away currently, so help me to reach my goal of 1K. Okay, so this has been a highly requested video and I am super excited to share what I have come up with for you guys today. Since this pandemic started, makeup transferring to masks has been a serious issue. Lipstick and foundation and everything else transferring to your mask. I don't know about you guys, but my mask has looked like this. I finally was able to come up with the combination for me that has been working beautifully. We're keeping it simple today, baddies, but I did want to zoom you guys in to point this out. These are my natural lashes. My secret, a lash lift and tint. Game changer. So essentially what it's doing is perming your natural lashes, so it looks like you have false lashes on without you having to bother with mascara or false lashes. They last about 4 to 6 weeks depending on your upkeep, and I got mine done at the salon that I'm now doing permanent makeup at, Oasis by Plush. 10 out of 10, especially during the pandemic, recommend getting a lash lift. If you'd like to know the Badmad secrets to mask proofing your makeup, stay tuned. I am starting off with the Murad oil-free pore control mattifier. This has an SPF 45. Even though our skin's covered with a mask, we still want to be protecting the exposed layer of skin. I'm a little bit more oily combination, so this guy does the job for me and helps my makeup stay on all day long. So you apply that everywhere, which I've already done. Allow that to get tacky on your skin. I'm sure we've all experienced it at this point. Maskne. Horrid. Ugh, terrible. Basically, oil, makeup, debris catching where your mask is worn and causing you to break out. The key is we don't want to use a foundation that's going to clog your pores even more. I still do my whole face, but I've been using this product to help combat breakouts. This is the Maybelline Bb Cream that contains salicylic acid. If you haven't experienced maskne or breaking out, you can absolutely use the glow version. This contains 2% salicylic acid to help combat your breakouts. These two products together have been my holy grail combo during this pandemic. Even though my mask is covering to about here, I still like to have a concealer in this area. Tarte Shape Tape. Fantastic, fantastic concealer. I'm literally just going to thinly place that in this area, just like that. And I honestly have been hitting my nose just because I'm so used to doing that. My Morphe sponge next, and I'm pushing this in. Now this is an additional step that I have added to my routine. I then go in with my middle fingers and I push the concealer into my under eye area. This is going to prevent any creasing from happening. We're going to set that, but it just really helps melt it into the skin. We are clicking right along. Okay, next. I love this part of my routine because it just adds a little extra coverage and evens everything out. It's gonna set the foundation. I think a mistake a lot of people are making is that they do a foundation, don't do a powder, don't do a setting powder, and then their makeup is depositing onto their mask. I am using the Fit Me powder. Also, I'm blown away with this product. I just started using it this summer and I love it. I take my Sonia Kashuk powder brush and I'm just going to push this into my skin. Next, we are setting the under eye area with Fit Me. My previous shade was in the color light medium. This shade is in the color fair. And I'm taking my Morphe, I'm picking some up, and I'm just sweeping this. People can only see your eyes, so you really want that area standing out and looking nice. You want your eyes popping. Next up, we are taking a translucent setting powder. The one I am recommending for you guys today You do have to order online. It is not sold in any stores. However, it is super affordable and you get a ton of product. This is the Rcma No Color Powder, and this stuff is amazing. I'm using a kabuki brush. I'm really focusing on the area the mask is going to be covering. I am going to take a little bit of my Rimmel London in Sunlit Bronze. It comes in this round. I am going to put a bit of this here, just because people can still see this area of your jaw, and I don't know, I just feel like I need a little bit of color. Has anyone else been smiling at strangers underneath the mask? Like, not realizing that they can't see you, you're just by instinct smiling at passerbyers. I've been doing that a lot. Last major key is our Hangover 3-in-1 RX setting spray. I just absolutely love, love, love this product. Pick this product up. Baddies, we are not applying a lipstick or a lip gloss. I just applied a chapstick. That's it. Okay, the true test. Here is a mask to put this bad boy on. So cute. There we are. Okay, I know obviously this isn't me wearing this around for hours, but just so you can see, zero transfer, no makeup whatsoever. This routine is foolproof. It's easy. You guys, I know it'll work for you. Give it a try. Let me know your feedback. If you try out this routine, tag me on Instagram. I want to see you guys' pictures. Be safe. Use this foundation routine to keep your makeup on all day and prevent it transferring to your mask. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you baddies next time.